What is digital leadership? Let's start at the beginning and let's talk about being a citizen. This is what your teachers and your parents have been stressing to you this whole time you've had access to the internet. They've been stressing the importance of being respectful, protecting private information, standing up to cyberbullying, creating a balance between being on and offline, careful management of your digital footprint, and giving credit where credit is due. This image shows how to go from being responsible on the internet to becoming someone who improves the lives of others through digital leadership. Let's go a little bit further. Signs of a digital leader. Digital leadership goes beyond taking responsibility for oneself. It requires having the courage to help others be accountable. People often feel that students isolate themselves. Digital leaders collaborate. Digital leaders understand naturally that technology is a part of both lifestyle and work habits. Knowing what to do with knowledge is a sign of digital leadership. Digital leaders learn how to embrace change. Digital leaders empower and equalize. They know that anyone can be an influential digital leader. Digital leaders learn how to be flexible thinkers and who can understand problem solving, analyze information, and find significance. I have told students that they do not have to wait for the future to make a difference because they have the ability to do something now. This is a quote from George Couros, who is an advocate for students becoming digital leaders. Next, you need to make a plan to take action. What does that mean? You need to have a vision. This gives you a focus, provides motivation to grow and improve, and gives a sense of purpose. You need to want to make a difference. Think critically about the possible answers, feeling comfortable about asking questions to move forward. You need to add value. Effective leaders listen to the needs of others and provide support. You need to be someone who takes risks. Digital leaders can establish direction, influence others, and initiate sustainable changes as they navigate the ever-changing landscape of technology. Okay, so the next question is where to start. Place to start your journey is on social media. Social media is a great place to begin the journey of digital leadership. Remember, being a digital leader is a way for you to show others your voice, your vision, as well as inspiring others along the way. Good luck on your journey.